The first is the child says good night to her mother in the poem. Tell me, is it true or false? I know you all know the answer. Very good try. It is a false statement because in the poem we see the child wakes up in the morning. Next, the color of the bees mentioned in the poem is yellow. Yes, tell me, is it true or false? What's the color of the bees? Answer? Yes. Is it true? No, it's false. The bees are of brown color. Next, the child wakes up during the morning time. True or false? I know you all know this answer. It is a true statement. Very good. Next, the child wants to move out to play with birds, bees, and trees. Yes, find out whether it is true or false. We have recited in the poem, we have read out. Tell me, it is true. The child is excited to go out and play. Now, let's move to another exercise. It's a small quiz, and I hope you all will love to play it with me. So, are we ready? You have to choose the correct option for the given statements. The first one is the child says good morning to the options are A, to the moon, B, to the hills, C, to the sky, D, to the river. Yes, tell me, what is the correct answer? Very good. It is option C. The child says good morning to the sky. Next, during the morning hours, the child is. Options are A, wide awake, B, sleepy, C, lazy, or D, sad. Tell me, how is the child during the morning hours? What is the correct answer? It's A. Very good. During the morning hours, the child is wide awake. Next, the child says good morning to the dash grass. Options are A, to the sleeping grass, B, to the creeping grass, C, to the shaking grass, or D, none of the above. Find out. We all have read this in the poem. Check out the correct answer. It's B. The child says good morning to the creeping grass. Creeping means growing grass. I hope you all have loved this activity. Now, it's time to do some of the fill-ups. Fill in the correct word given in the bracket to complete the sentence. Let's start. The dash twinkle at night. The words in the bracket are stars, sun, or moon. Yes. Take the correct one. Choose the correct word. What twinkles at night? Yes. The correct answer is the stars twinkle at night. Next, we get honey from options are choose. We get honey from bees, grass, or butterfly. Find out. Fill with the correct answer. Yes, we all know that we get honey from the bees. Next, trees give us. Words are wood, plastic, or steel. Yes, what do we get from trees? Wood, plastic, or steel? You all know this, yes? We get wood. Very good. Next, the sun gives us. Words are water, light, or air. What do we get from sun? Choose the correct word. We get light. Correct. So, I hope you have loved these activities and enjoyed the poem as well. Now, let's look at the time given below. Can you see? We can see a clock and the time is being displayed. Write down whether we should greet our friend at this time by saying good morning, good evening, good afternoon, or good night. You can see 4 clocks with the time. Check out and fill the correct greeting by which we will greet a friend. Check out the first one. It shows 4 p.m. So, how would we greet? We will say good evening. Very good. Check out the second clock. The time here is 7 a.m. How would we greet? By saying, very good, by saying good morning. Next, the clock shows 1 p.m. So, how would we greet our friend? What would we say? We would say, good afternoon. Next, here the clock reads out 9 p.m. So, we would greet our friend by saying good night. I hope you all have understood the greetings we use for different time of the day. Now let's start with another interesting exercise. The name of this activity is word building. Let's say aloud. Find words in the poem which rhyme with the word bees, day, and do.
Let's try and find. The rhyming word for bees is, find out, very good. It's trees. Wonderful. The rhyming word for day is away. The rhyming word for two is you. Excellent. After these rhyming words, let's come to another important and interesting exercise. What do you see around you during the day and at night? Imagine and visualize that during daytime, what do you see? And at night, what do you see? You have to draw the day scene and the night scene in the given box, and then you have to color the picture. Fine. I hope you all have enjoyed this poem and you have come to know about various beautiful things that we see during the morning time. We have learned how we greet during the morning time, during the afternoon time, and during the bedtime. So, you all enjoy this poem. Try to find out the rhyming words, recite it, and learn by heart. So, kids, enjoy and stay safe.
Enjoy the song once again.